You won't believe what Mahindra just did to Batman's ride. No, seriously, this isn't a joke, and I haven't been hacked by the Joker. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today we're diving into the Mahindra B6 Batman Edition, the EV that even Bruce Wayne would flex on Gotham's streets. First things first, would you drop nearly 28 lakh rupees for a car that screams "I'm Batman" every time you open the door? Let's find out if it's worth it, or if you should wait for the next superhero SUV to swoop in. Okay, let's talk power. 79 kWh battery, 286 horses, 380 nanometers of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per h in under 6 seconds. Faster than you can say, nah, Batman. And with a 682 kilometer certified range, you can literally drive from Gotham to Metropolis and back on a single charge. And if you're running low, 100 kilometers of juice in under 10 minutes with fast charging. That's quicker than Alfred making your morning coffee. Now, design time. This isn't your uncle's black SUV, satin matte black finish, gold accents, bat logos everywhere, doors, wheels, roof, cup holders probably, 20-inch alloys, gold calipers, illuminated B logo on the hood. I mean, if Batman had a midlife crisis, this is what he'd buy. Step inside. Boom! Black and gold everything. Suede seats with gold stitching. Leather seats with gold stitching. Bat emblems on the seats. Bat emblem on the console. Bat emblem on the steering wheel. Bat emblem on the rear armrest. Even the infotainment screen greets you with a Batman animation. If you don't feel like a billionaire vigilante, check your pulse. But here's the catch. Only 300 units. Yup, it's rarer than a good DC movie review. Bookings opened August 23rd. Delivery started September 20th. On Batman Day. Price? Rs27. 79 lakh, about 89k more than the regular B6. So you're paying for exclusivity, you're paying for style, and the right to say, "I drive the Batmobile," sort of. Should you buy it? If you're a Batman superfan, go for it. If you're an EV nerd, go for it. If you want to flex at the next Comic-Con, go for it. But if you're waiting for something crazier, like a Superman edition that flies, maybe hold off. So what do you think? Would you rock the Batman edition, or is it too much bat for your buck? Drop a comment. Hit like if you'd love to see me test drive it in a cape. Subscribe for more wild car reviews. Do you think Mahindra should team up with Marvel next? Vote in the poll right here. Wait, did you spot all the bat logos? Rewind and count them, bet you missed a few. This is Om Vinayak Gupta, signing off. Stay super, stay curious. Remember, not all heroes wear capes, but some do drive electric. Seriously though, I counted at least 12 different Batman logos on this car. That Batman Edition 001 plaque alone makes it worth collecting. And can we talk about how premium this interior feels? Gold stitching everywhere. Even the steering wheel logo lights up. This is next level branding. That red Batman logo on the rear window, pure theater. The side profile with that Batman silhouette is just chef's kiss. Remember, only 300 people in the world will own this. This could be a serious collector's item in 20 years. Delivering on Batman Day was such a perfect touch by Mahindra. If you can afford it and love Batman, this is a no-brainer purchase. What other superhero cars would you want to see? Iron Man Tesla? Spider-Man motorcycle? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep being awesome, Gotham.